Welcome to Small Lathe. Well, this is, if you're not familiar, this is my welding table, sort of an improvised surface where I can weld and sparks can fly all over the place, and I just don't care. It's also isolated from the bottom. There's a wooden plate there, and the idea is I can do all sort of welds. But at the time, I chose some zinc-coated metal sheets, which is what I had at hand. Well, zinc is really bad for you at high temperatures. It evaporates, and people, thank you guys, my subscribers have pointed that out, and they're totally right. Okay, so our holes align pretty well. All we gotta do is do that. But just the locking washer is on, and we are basically done. Yep, okay, so this is much better. Yes, I know these are zinc coated or nickel coated, and this is not good for welding, but I don't intend to weld on these. As I said, this is just the surface, and eventually I will replace these with shorter screws, basically speaking, and flatter heads. So we'll see what I can do about that. I'm going to find some stainless nuts and bolts for that. I want to thank everybody who commented on the zinc issue, and soon these are going to be stainless, and I won't make a video about that. I just wanted to improvise it and see how it goes. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a sweet day.